What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. How's it going? Going up to the practice drift event at the IMI go-kart racetrack today. It's a Sunday. Just picked up some breakfast, washed the car, because why not? And I am currently on my way there. I'm probably like an hour and a half away. Starts at 10 and it's probably about 9 or so right now. So I'll be a little bit late, but it's all good. I'm gonna get some footage for you guys. Brought the drone, and hopefully it'll be a good day. Weather's pretty good, just a little bit breezy, but the sun's out, not very many clouds in the skies, and it's pretty warm. There it is. Looks like it's already in full swing. It's about 10:30 or so, so I think they've been going for about an hour and a half. Or not an hour and a half, half an hour. So this place is packed. I've never seen it this full. The whole parking lot pit area is just jam-packed with cars. The track has, you know, as many cars as it can fit on it. It's a pretty wild day. The weather's okay. It's kind of chilly, especially when the gusts kick up. But I mean, the sun's out, so it's okay. There's Trevor in the automatic EcoBoost Mustang. It is super windy out there. It's just kicking up so much dust. I had to bust out the sunglasses. I don't think I'll be able to use the drone as of right now. We'll see later in the afternoon if the winds die down. But I mean, it's like really, really windy out there. I don't think the drone would stand a chance. Got the Motion Auto TV EcoBoost Mustang. Automatic. Apparently it doesn't drift too well. It's a pretty neat swap. The Ford 302, the 5-liter, small block Ford. I always wanted to do one of these swaps. And an RX-7. I heard these are pretty easy to drop into RX-7s, the FC body. LT1, I think. GM V8 swap. I don't know why these swaps aren't more popular. I guess they are pretty cheap motors. This is actually my old SR that I rebuilt like 2 years ago. Sold it to this guy, and I guess as far as I know, it has not blown up yet. So that's pretty cool. So today's been pretty awesome. Got to hang out with a lot of people that I haven't seen in a while. Got to watch a lot of people drift. Saw a lot of new people I haven't seen before. Got to ride in a couple drift cars. Insane. Got some decent footage. I think it was really windy, or too windy for the camera, so I don't know how good the audio is going to be. But you know, I got some good runs on tape. Got to just enjoy the day. It's great. Colorado day in February. Pretty good weather. I think it was like 60 degrees. Just other than the wind, it was perfect. Good temperature, a lot of sunshine. I think I'm a little sunburned now. But yeah, overall, great day. Loved going up, always loved going up to IMI, even if I don't drive. I kind of wish I did bring my car though. So, you know, just getting that itch, watching people out there drift. But as always, thanks for watching. Sub to the channel to see more stuff. Give the video a like, share it to your friends, and I will catch you later.